If I got a penny for each meat eater that liked this dish, then I would probably have like 10 pennies. Well, anyway, this dish is very good, it's very tasty, people love it and it looks really fancy. This recipe is great for beginners, it's easy to prepare, and you will discover that the combination between hummus and sweet potatoes is just insanely good. Okay, let me show you how it's done. Let's start by preheating our oven to 180 degrees Celsius or 370 Fahrenheit. Wash your potatoes first and then straight to the board. Chop the potatoes lengthwise, like this. I put them face down on the baking tray and I will brush them with a tiny amount of oil. It's good to buy thinner potatoes because they will bake faster, or at least buy all of them in similar shape so they will get done at the same time. And to the oven they go for around 30 to 35 minutes. I also got 2 jars of chickpeas. Time to rinse them. One jar goes into the bowl and gets spiced up. The other one into the blender for the hummus making. So we are adding spices like dried oregano, cumin, smoked paprika, salt, cayenne pepper for those who like it spicy, and olive oil. It is possible to do them without any oil, but the oven will dry them out too much for my taste, so I'll add a little. Let's do the mix. Let's try to make it that they are evenly coated. I will take out our potatoes and place the chickpeas in between the potatoes. They will get crunchy. I will put them after the potatoes are around 5 minutes in the oven, so they will bake for around the remaining 25 minutes. While they are in the oven, we will prepare our hummus, starting by adding spices like cumin, black pepper, garlic powder, salt, tahini, and lemon juice, and also water. You can also add a splash of something sweet like agave syrup, which I forgot here. Blend it up and set aside. We are making the hummus more liquid, so it's more like a sauce to easily pour over our dish. We will also chop some tomatoes and prepare some fresh basil. Now we have to wait for our sweeties to finish baking.
20 minutes later.
After the time is up, we take the baking tray out of the oven. What the fog? Well, thanks for the special effects. We need to check the potatoes if they are done. We do that by sticking a fork in them, and if it goes in easily, then it means they are done. Mine goes in very easily, so they are done. If they are thin, they will cook faster. For bigger, thicker potatoes, it might take longer. Let's now put the dish together and serve right away. First potato, mash it gently with a fork so it's a bit more flat, but don't overdo it. Add the chickpeas on top. Drizzle some of the hummus sauce. Then comes the tomatoes and the basil. Beautiful. Love this recipe and people really dig it. It is delicious and healthy as well. Wow, 2 in 1, what a score. I used the recipe from Minimalist Baker as inspiration and tweaked it a little bit to my taste preference. I will put a link below to the original and to my version. That's it for today, have fun cooking and I will see you in the next video. Bye!